I can edit now. Alright, you guys know I can edit now. So, I'm an editor. So, I can now edit. That's cool, right? So, we are gonna go somewhere. I don't know where yet, but we're gonna go somewhere. Alright? So, like, right now, if I wanted to, I can edit this out, which is amazing, but I'm not, because, like, okay, we got Maze, we got Forest, we got Sandbox, we got Run Remake, we got an Xbox, and we have a cave. What I'm going to do... Eeny, meeny, meeny, mo, get your digger by its toe. If you only let him go... They're going to the fullest. Alright? I'll tell you the reason when we get in there. The reason we are gonna do Forest is because last time we found Siren Head, right? This time we're gonna find more than Siren Head.
This danger is over that way. Do we run to it? Yeah, black. I'm not sure about that. Guys, let's just run.
Gotta find myself for the video.
Yeah, no, because That's not a mimic.
Oh, I thought that was a mimic airline. Where is it?
It's not mimic.
I think I know where they are.
Hey, dude!
What? I'm going to Wendigo now, so I got my people. Come on, let's go, follow me. Wendigo, are you?
Oh, it's a mimic.
Wendigo!
It's a mimic.
Guys, that's a Wendigo, that's not mimic.
That Siren Head or mimic?
I hear something.
Let me just have any sounds. Oh my god!
It's a
Where
mimic.
did he come from?
It's a mimic. It's a mimic. It's a.
1 second I died, what the heck?
Where did that ugly worm come from?
Sound like that? Why do you sound
Why
like
do
that?
you sound like that, buddy?
Why do you? Why do you sound like a baby?
I took my headset and I better get it fixed now. So it sounds like this.
Oh, so that's why.
Please.
I'm nice.
Let's go.
I'm getting killed. Let's go, guys.
Wait, Blue, stay with me.
It's Alex.
Oh, Jesus, I'm mimics.
Let's go back. Let's go get back at him.
I'm pretty sure that was a super nice worm. Oh my god! Sail!
I don't think I can come in here.
What?
We can easily come in here. No, keep it open! Keep it open!
You can't get
What's
me.
the worm doing? What are you doing? I hate that.
Yo, who uses the voice changer?
Just untrue.org.
I don't think he can get in spawn.
What is this even supposed? Oh, what? They're dead. Don't even know.
Oh,
Hey, can't come in. Bro, why did the doctor do a half-finished job on
Hi guys. I'll get something. I'll get something.
Open the door! Open the door!
Don't open the door. It's ready. You're cooked.
Don't open the door. Don't open
Yo, we're
it.
done with that one now. We're gonna go play a different one.
What?
Alright, now I'm thinking we go to hallway because, like, hallway is my absolute favorite. I adore hallway. Yo,
Yep.
let's go.
Guys, the monster's not even here. If you're not real happy about your life, you gotta say you're a black.
Oh, okay, that's terrifying. That was terrifying. Do not do that again,
That
bro.
was scary. That was scary.
I literally just dropped my controller. I'm gonna go save my mother! No bunkers! Of course he killed me!
Oh my god, I'm really.
Of course he killed me! Yo, he's so fast!
Purple, you're not alone.
I mean, you are.
Melon guy. You're the one. Were you screaming, John Steve? Why should I? No. I saw you in the shop. You are not Steve, little bro.
Oh my
You waited that long.
He's so fast! Yo, why is he so fast? It's either I'm slow or he's just so fast.
No, ready for you. Ray, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna kill you.
Stop barking. And that's the end of this one. Alright, guys. So that guy's like so fast. Yo was so fast. Now we're going to next spot.
They need to die! They need to die! They need to die!
He's literally faster. You're literally faster than me. Like, what am I meant to do?
Yo, I just ran out of energy as soon as I ran, bro. I ran.
You saw that, bro? You saw I was running?
Yo,
A la camacita, muchacho, brate.
Big guy. Big
Umi, hongo.
No.
Oh, that's nice, ain't it?
Bigger guy.
Yeah, I know.
Help me.
Wait! Mr. President, get down!
Oh my god.
What the fuck is that? Spike? You just made me hit my wall. Hey, cabrones! Just made me fucking hit my wall.
Muggers! Munger! Munger!
Fucking rage.
Stupid I was. Stupid I was.
This is what I dream. Bunker. Bunker.
I need to. Hey, I'm not afraid of
Bunker.
Gosh, it's Oh gosh. Run. What do you think I'm doing? Oh my god, this game's so hard.
Alright, jump to hook.
Yo, want to see Munchie? Want to see Munchie? Alright, I'm going.
Alright, hurry up. Let's go to level 2. Let's go to level 2.
Yeah, let's go to level 2.
Go. Yeah, baby.
Wait, is there
Alright, we're faster. Oh, poor guy.
Bro, this dude is cooked.
Run! No! Monkey marathon. Please. You know I can't run forever, yo. Yo, I can't do this forever. YouTube, I'm running out of breath. Ah! I can't run forever.
I was only a little.
Oh, hell no!
Have fun. Poor guy.
Hey, be fucking grateful.
That's the fastest one. You're literally faster than one. You're literally faster than one. I'm getting into safe zone. No, I'm dead. My arms hurt so bad, YouTube. I've been
But like a fucking dog.
doing this forever.
Go get ketchup, bro. Go get ketchup. Alright, ketchup. Get your fine black ass, red ass over here. Fucking rigger. Hey, don't worry, I'll save you, bro. Come this way, come this way. Actually, nah, that's all you. That's 4 of them. I'm not trying to get raped. Oh shit! I just dropped my controller. I dropped my controller.
He dropped the controller, bro.
That's so average.
That shit gave me PTSD, bro. I dropped my shit. I saw that big ass.
Yo, come on, it's for my video. Yo, drop down. I want you to chase me. Let them chase me, drop. I don't want this. I don't like this. I'm done with YouTube. They're literally watching.
Whoa! Get these niggas away from me.
I finally made it to Munchie.
Let me cook. That's shit.
Please! Please! A bunker! I can't run! Thank you. Thank you. I'm just gonna get up there. I'm gonna get up there, right? We chill? We chill? Yo, I think we're chill. I think we're chill. Yo, dab me up. Dab me up, yo. No, no. Yo, I think he's chill. He's chill. Yo, you want to dab up? You want to dab me up, yo? No, come to me.
Munchie, Munchie. Oh no,
Munchie, dab me up, yo.
Going.
Munchie, dab me up.
Yo. Did.
Someone jump into him.
You?
Yo, Munchie, come on.
You
I do not dab.
You are so ugly.
You heard me?
Wait, where's level 2 at?
Yo,
I hate it. Like he's deadly staring at me. Oh my god, he's killing us. He's not even moving. Oh my. Monkey's going mad. Munker, run! Get him running.
And then
Munchie finally woke up.
You got this, monkey. Why did you come near me? You go away from me.
watch that good stuff with the butt. No, you really can't keep coming. Guys, get that. But has the word of that shit go backwards.
Hello. Bye bye. Hello.
No, I'm scared.
Yo, it's like I'm the monster. Get him. Yeah, get him, Munchie. Get him, Munchie. Yeah, he's my pet. He's my pet. Oh, that's not how it's not how meant to go. No, you stay away from me.
He's your pet, right?
No, he's not my pet. I was lying. I was lying, Blue. No.
He's your pet.
I'm so tired. I can't run no more. No. No, Munchie. Munchie, you've been bad. You've been bad, Munchie. You literally just killed an innocent munker. Why, Munchie? Kill him then.
I'm gonna die.
You stupid ass monster.
Alright, guys, so we're in caves. That's our,
So go
next level.
This is some BS, bro.
Yeah, why is that tracking so fucked up?
Man. He's not there.
Oh, they're both there.
Bro, they're a couple. Bro, you turn around, bro. Oh
Oh no. Wait, you're not saying he's not. He's following you. Come back. He's scared of me. He's scared of me. He's scared of me. Yeah, you better run, little boy. Yeah, he's scared of me. You're scared of me. You're not scared of me. You're not scared of me. I'm scared of you.
all the players left.
I'm scared of you. Yeah, you're scared.
Keep going.
They got scared easily. Oh, he's not scared.
What was that?
It's not coming. It is. It can't come on.
I can't see. Move.
It's not coming. It is.
It's not
Guys,
coming.
guys,
He's
we're dead.
coming back.
Guys, we're dead.
He's
We're
coming
dead.
back.
We're dead. He's stuck.
He's
We're
coming
dead.
back. He's coming back.
Yo, guys, does the monster
Bro, he
kick you?
cornered us.
Does the monster kick us?
No, he doesn't. So the monster can't kick you.
Yo, we're better than these monsters, guys. We're better.
It does? It does
The
kick me?
We're better than these
The monster
monsters,
can't kick
guys.
you. It can only kills you. It kills you.
Okay,
Kills you. It does
good,
not
good,
kick
good.
you.
Okay, that's
It does
good.
not kick you out of the server.
We're better than them.
Kills you. If you respawn back to spawn, respawn.
Go. We're not better. We're not better. We're not better. We're dead. That's what we are. Yeah. Okay, look how many people got up here.
We're dead.
Guys,
Not
there's
coming.
nothing after y'all. I think you went to dead end. Look at dead end.
Yeah, you're going to the dead end. You're gonna die.
Oh, someone died.
Holy shit.
Oh, heck no.
Is it over there?
It's not over
Keep
there.
running, keep running.
You silly gooses. It's not over here. Are you guys good?
Please don't tell me coming over here.
It's not working.
Can you hear me?
Come on.
Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
we can hear you.
Guys, we're dead. We're
Everyone,
dead.
do the go.
We're dead.
We can't hear you. I think you
Go,
can
soldiers.
Oh, his
We're dead.
smile is stitched.
We're not gonna make it.
That's cool.
You silly gooses, there's nothing here.
We're literally. Run! 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 Run!
Is there something over?
We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead.
But what if he's scared for us?
What the? Help me! It's right behind me.
Then run, bitch.
Cool. We did that.
We found
Oh! Okay, we're dead. We're dead. Sorry. It was nice knowing you.
First, I sorry.
Just fucking run.
You just left me alone!
Three people.
Come on, guys.
Not at four. Dude, oh my god. Everyone. Come on. Okay, I'm right. I'm gonna go, by the way. Bro.
Guys,
Can someone die today?
Yo,
How about that?
No! Save him!
guys,
No,
he's
he's I'm kind of
You're
done.
really close, guys. Wait, you're really close.
No, run! Keep going straight. Just keep going straight.
Oh my god.
Go, wait, just go. Just keep going straight. Follow me. Just follow me. Follow me, White. No! We literally got cornered. We literally got cornered.
Spawn. Green, wait. Green,
We were cornered.
Someone's at spawn. Someone's at spawn.
Alright, this is my last cave dive, bro.
We were cornered.
Don't chase the monster.
We are cornered.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Go!
No!
Wait, did I just run into that? He's going!
It's not coming.
Yes, are you sure? Are you sure?
It's coming! We're dead. Guys, go to the computer and then run back.
He's not coming.
He is.
He's not coming.
Okay, let's go. Okay. He's there. Yo, guys, look at this. Let's
Hello, finally I found somebody. I was trying to find a log for like 20 minutes.
you. Yeah, I know. Oh my god.
Bro, I saw somebody.
Holy
Oh!
shit. It's coming back.
This is the worst.
Is there one behind us?
He's coming!
He's behind us.
Guys, wrap around computer.
He's behind us.
Wrap around computer.
He's behind us.
Go, go, go! It's behind us!
Help! He's right behind me, isn't he?
There's nothing.
We're getting split up.
He's not coming. Not coming. He's not coming.
He's gonna come.
He's right behind me. I'm in behind him.
He's not coming.
Where's the wild predator to go? I'm behind him.
Come on.
Bro, his arms are moving weird, bro. I'm behind him.
Okay, this is why I don't play this game. This is why I don't play the game. This is my last game, guys. Guys!
Don't follow! I'm going tonight!
Please! Hello? That's it for this level. I think we should head to meet up.
Alright. The beanie's in his butt. We made.
Open back. No.
Nah, don't open back, bro.
Just get a close back. Open back. Okay, I'm open it. Come in. You open the
Like a
front.
nigger.
Open peanut butter ditty
Like a
time.
nigger,
Peanut
like a
butter
nigger,
ditty
like a
time.
nigger,
Wait.
like-
Pedal,
Guys, he's coming to there. He's coming to there. Run. He's coming to there.
He's a dead. No, don't go to dad.
Dude, I'm scared. Oh, I think the bean is not taking us anymore, boy. You better suck. No, give me a little smooch. Mwah. The server was wiped out.
For opening the door, boy.
Dude, this is what I
Oh my
call
God.
a wipe
Why
out.
run? Why run? Nigger wears Prada.
This is what
Hey,
they
bitch,
call a
open the door.
wipeout, dude.
Yeah,
Come here,
fucking
little
cold
female
out there,
chief,
bro.
brother.
Why
Come
run?
Sadie,
You got this one.
Sadie boy! He's a spawn camper!
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Dude, stop crying like a
It's behind. Okay, we're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead.
Is bro crying?
Wait, it's not chasing us. It's not chasing us. It's Black. It's not chasing us. Black. We lost him.
Purple, you're bro. Open the fucking door now.
Okay.
Now.
We gotta get out of
You
here.
that, right? You
Back
that?
at spawn. Back at
It's such a
spawn.
long call. Oh no, guys. It's coming too fast.
Bro. Purple,
I'm
get
not
the
a
fuck
dad.
out.
The Vinny's not chasing us.
I'm not purple. I'm black. I'm green.
I'm being serious. The Vinny's not chasing us.
Yo, what up, green buddy? I'm swimming. I'm swimming.
Oh, look
You
at the
saw
bean taking
it.
that guy over there, dude.
love that.
That's crazy. That's
Guys,
crazy.
I bet you.
I don't think it's talking. I don't think it's talking.
I have a feeling it's a bean. It's going to be
fuck
right
you,
now. It's
nigga.
going to be right now.
Yo.
Imagine being stuck.
Don't fucking look at
Well, that is it for today's video, yo. Like that's too much. My skin is disgusting. I don't work on my skins. Like I don't care about them. But that's like oh no, what am I saying? That's like every single level. I'm gonna edit this video, so please like and subscribe. I work super hard on these videos. I have 2 broken arms because of this. Like, you know how, like, I have a black finger from smacking the couch so hard. It kind of hurts, not that much. But please like and subscribe. And give me ideas in the comments what to do on Animal Blocks, because I've been, you know, like thinking of videos. I can't find really that many because, like, no, there's not that many good ideas for Animal Blocks. I mean, I did all the basics, but I can probably do more because I know how to edit. So,
Long.
I don't know, just like and subscribe, please. I'll be working way too hard.
Here's the sound. Tag me. Tag me. Tag me.